welcome to class. Today we're learning a new letter and Miss J is very excited. Why? Because this letter starts her name. It's a big old C for Catherine. I'm so excited to do the letter C with you today. And we're going to do some work with C. We've got a letter C craft. So I'm very excited for that. That will be coming up soon. But let's have a closer look at our letter C, shall we? So here's the uppercase C. It's almost like we're going to make a big O, but we stop. And the lowercase c looks exactly the same, doesn't it? It's a little bit more rounded, but it's short. So let's come a little bit closer in, and I'm going to show you how we write the letter C. Now, when we're writing the uppercase C, it starts up in the sky. So we don't start right on the line. We start a little bit down. We do our curvy line all the way down into the grass and a little bit up. Let's try it again. So start in the clouds a little bit, go up to the line and go down. Keep it curvy and a little bit up. That's the uppercase C. Lowercase c is very similar, but we do it only in the grass. And we curvy line it up. Same thing, curvy line and rounded and a little bit up. And that's our lowercase c. There you go. Now, you can keep practicing this on your whiteboard, which I think is a great idea. You can do one of your worksheets like this one, or you can wait and we're going to do another worksheet in just a little while. We'll get started on it together. Let's look at some words that start with the C sound. So say the words out loud with me and listen to the first sound that you say when you're saying the words. And let's see if we can figure out what the C sound is. Are you ready? Let's watch.
Cake, cake, cat, cat, caterpillar, caterpillar, clouds, clouds, corn, corn, cup of coffee, cup of coffee.
Okie dokie. Did you figure it out? Did you figure out the sound that C makes? I bet you did. All right, when I say 3, I want you to say the sound. Are you ready? Oh, 1. Oh, dancing 1. Hey. A 2. Oh, dancing 2. A 3. Oh. Say the sound. I think you're right. Can you say it with me? K, k, k. Oh, you got it. Say it again. K. You got it. C says k. So, let's sing our little C sound song. Every letter makes a sound, makes a sound. C says k, 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 k. Every letter makes a sound, makes a sound. C says k, 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 k. Woo, woo, woo. That is the sound that C makes. Give me a high five on the hard work. Pew. Great job. All right. When we get back, we are going to look at our C worksheet and our C craft. So we'll see you on the next video. Bye.